I'm taking some Turkish coffee, and while I'm taking some Turkish coffee, I have a reason why I made this Turkish coffee. And the main reason is actually because I want to show you guys how you can actually utilize items in your kitchen, ingredients in your kitchen for your own body and also for your own benefit in terms of actually your skincare, okay, in terms of actually taking care of your skin. Remember, these are very simple things that you can find all over in your kitchen. Maybe you don't know, maybe you have used them, maybe you have seen them, and I want to reveal to you maybe 6 DIY hacks that you can actually utilize that I have learned when I was here in Turkey. I have seen a lot of women are into the skincare products, and they are actually utilizing even the kitchen products or ingredients. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go ahead and clean my face because we are working on a clean face. And I'm going to be revealing to you the stuff that I have here so that we can dive in. So guys, as you can see, I already washed my face. It is clean, it is damp, like it is wet, like, okay, I have cleaned it. It is very well to be like it is ready to be done. I'm taking care of this little princess. She doesn't want me to do my own stuff. She's always with me. So let me reveal to you what I have.
So once we are done with our
See,
coffee, we're gonna be remaining with this residue like this.
Not done.
I'm talking about Turkish coffee, remember. So what I'm gonna do is actually to take some of this. You can either use this, the cooked one, or not the cooked one, the raw one. I love just utilizing this one because it works almost the same. I'm really sorry because of my little kids who are making some noise, background noise.
I'm gonna be using this brush, and we have our mixture here. I'm gonna try to be very careful and actually massage. Okay. You have to be very careful because when it drops on your clothes, it stains. So I'm using this brush to actually rub my face like this, gently, not too much hard. Okay, you can still use your finger just to do like this. Now you're gonna wait for 10 to 20 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse off with some lukewarm water. Not too much hot, not too much cold. The next one is some yogurt. You're gonna take some yogurt, okay? Not too much, just maybe two spoons. Okay, and we're gonna be needing some honey. Okay, so I'm adding in honey. You don't need a lot of it, just mix the two. Mix very well. Make sure that you're mixing everything together very well like this. Once it is done, so we have our mixture here, we have our brush here. Take some, and then on a clean face you are going to apply on your face just like this. Okay, oh my goodness, it is so much soothing. Like happy your senses. After this, you're gonna wait for 20 to maybe 10 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with water, lukewarm water or maybe cold water, not hot water. Okay, next DIY is actually banana. I already eaten half of it, and then with corn flour, you can use corn flour or maybe you can use oatmeal. I'm using corn flour today, or maize corn, corn flour or flour, you tell me in the comment section. So this is the flour, you mash together. We're gonna mash it together like so. Okay, it is ready. Now on a clean face, as you can see, my face is clean. I'm using this brush, and this is our mixture. We're gonna make our mask just like this. Apply it. You have to be careful because it is falling down. Okay, you're gonna wait 10 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Okay, next DIY, we are going to take some Nescafe, which is coffee. Okay, this is pure coffee and Nescafe. We are going to put here, and then we are going to take some cocoa, okay, or cocoa. We are going just to take a little bit because I don't want to use all of it. We are going to mix. To make it even more better, you can use either coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil, just a little bit of it. Okay, and then mix everything together like so. So we have our mask here, we have our brush here, and then we're gonna just massage or put on our face. Be gentle and also careful because it's gonna drop on your outfit. It's gonna be messy. Okay, just mix it up. Okay, and leave it for at least 30 minutes and then rinse it off. Next DIY, we are going to be using Turkish coffee, this one plain without cooking, and we are going to be adding some little yogurt. This is plain yogurt. And then on a clean face, okay, we're gonna take our mask here, take something like a brush, and then just dip inside like this, and then put on your face, okay. So you're gonna wait for 10 to 30 minutes. After that, you're gonna rinse your face with lukewarm water and apply your favorite cream, okay, or moisturizer. All right, I'm gonna show you someone who is always with me making background noise, and she's here. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Here, can you say hi?
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
What is your name? What is your name? Once you're done with everything, your face gonna be so smooth, so flawless. It's gonna have all the nutrients, and what you're gonna do is actually to use a moisturizer that you're using. You can use any moisturizer that is your favorite. For me today, I'm using this one. This is one of the cheap brands here in Turkey. I love using it. This cream is actually, it has olives. It's a mixture of olive and stuff. I love it. Is very cheap and one of the best, let me not kid you. So I'm using this one. I'm gonna apply. You can use whichever one you want, okay, depending on your personal needs. Just massage through, give your body a good treatment, okay. Apply on your eyes, go through deep. be feeling like your face, you have treated it, you can take any of the DIY I have shown you. Maybe you do it once per week. Okay, maybe you do this one week, another one another week. You have all the options. I'll be sharing more. And there you have a very healthy skin, simple and very effective. Now, something else is actually, don't forget about the diet. Take plenty of water, okay? Take some fruits, okay? It can be only one and very effective.